everyone, and welcome to a new trading strategy. In this video, I'm going to teach you a super simple but powerful moving average strategy that you can use right away, even if you are a beginner. So make sure to watch until the end to learn how to enter trades, set stop loss and take profit, and see the live tested win rate. First, open your TradingView chart and select the symbol XAUUSD with the 5-minute time frame. Now go to the indicators section and search for 3MA, a free built-in indicator. Click on it to add it to your chart. Let's change the default settings to improve the strategy. Change the 10 EMA to 20. Change the 50 EMA to 90. Keep the 200 EMA as it is. With this setup, we now have the 20 EMA showing short-term moves, the 90 EMA tracking medium-term trend, the 200 EMA showing the long-term direction. But to filter the best entries, we need one more tool, the stochastic oscillator. Add it to your chart from the indicators section. Now go to the settings and apply these changes. Set %K length to 21. Set %K smoothing to 5. Leave the %D value as default. Now everything is ready. Let's learn how to use this setup for buy and sell trades. Buy trade setup. First, make sure the market is in an uptrend. This happens when the price is above both the 90 EMA and 200 EMA. Then wait for the price to pull back and touch or get close to the 20 EMA. Next, check the stochastic oscillator. It should be below 20, which means the price is oversold. Now wait for a bullish breakout. The price should move back above the 20 EMA with a strong bullish candle. At the same time, the stochastic line should start moving up out of the oversold zone. If all these conditions are met, this is your buy entry. Set your stop loss just below the last swing low. Set your take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Sell trade setup. First, make sure the market is in a downtrend. The price should be below both the 90 EMA and 200 EMA. Wait for the price to pull back and touch or get close to the 20 EMA. Now check the stochastic oscillator. It should be above 80, showing an overbought condition. Then wait for a bearish breakout. The price should drop below the 20 EMA with a strong bearish candle. At the same time, the stochastic line should start moving down out of the overbought zone. If all these conditions are met, you can enter a sell trade. Set your stop loss just above the last swing high. Set your take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Important note: if you see that the EMAs are crossing each other or moving sideways, it means the market has no clear trend. Avoid trading in these conditions to reduce the risk of false signals and losing trades. Now that we have successfully tested it on gold, let's move on to other symbols. First, let's check out BTC/USD. Let's see how this strategy performs on cryptocurrencies. After that, we'll take a look at EURUSD and maybe other currency pairs. If you have a specific symbol in mind, let me know in the comments and we'll test it out. Backtest results. To test this strategy, I ran 100 trades on the 5-minute gold chart. The win rate was 73%. That's 73 wins and only 27 losses. The total return was plus 223%, and the maximum drawdown was less than 3%. That's an incredibly solid result for such a simple setup. If you like this strategy and want to learn my personal favorite setup that I use all the time, watch the next video showing up on your screen. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more profitable trading strategies. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.